That would be a wedge tornado. Jesus.
Hey, sir?
Yep.
Can you move forward, please?
You can back up, you're fine.
Well, that would be a wedge tornado. That sucks. That's a big ass son of a gun, too. Here's the whole thing. Wow. Man. All right. That is ugly. Ugly tornado. Man. Look at the size of that monster. Jesus. Time to get out of here. There's little funnels on the ground in there. Man, this is...
It's over a city. I can't tell you what it is. It's a small water tower. Multiple vortex tornado on the ground now. Multiple, just like Hank said. It's right here. Multiple vortex tornadoes. Two. Different room. Multiple. Yeah.
You gotta set this thing for me.
Yes. Okay. Here, large tornado. Now going to a violent tornado. Violent tornado now, Gary.
There you go.
Violent tornado.
This thing is probably going to get larger and larger and larger. Huge rotation. It's opening up to the south. Moisture is going to flow more into this thing, and it's going to be very, very significant. Sky News 9, I think you see Sky News 9. I think it's back to your northwest just a little bit if we're right there. Large tornado. So let's just continue the warning along Interstate 40. Is the El Reno.
We're okay. C-Dubs, you gotta get this.
Okay, let's get out. Let's get out and talk about it. Science beat. Let's do it.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Yeah, let's do it. Quickly.
We're very close. Two of them.
Yeah, get out, get out. Let's do it, let's do it. I got your footage. Let's go, let's go. Stay close.
Yes. Are you... Yeah.
Union City up to South El Reno, take immediate tornado precautions, and that below ground is best. Get flat, safe, cellar, basement. If you have a safe room, that's great. If you have a large building close to you and you have time to go, that's steel reinforced concrete, such, get in that. If you have traffic.
That's crazy. What time is it?
6:04.
That's the most crazy multi-vortex action I've ever seen. Just let me know when you want to go.
You tell me.
I'm having a little bit of a hard time gauging this, but yeah, it's still a ways away actually. I'm trying to gauge it by the front of this collar cloud type thing. I'm not filming. I'm zoomed in as far as I can go right now. You seeing this okay?
Yeah, I'm seeing this.
We did pretty awesome with our positioning there, I'd say. to the right, this turquoise sky. It's just sitting there right now. It's coming down again more. Condensing. Holy crap. Well, I'm glad that more is no longer the last thing we've seen. Wow, it's just spinning. It kind of, but not really. We're still, yes. We're gonna need to move a little bit here in a second. What's our east option? So can we just keep going east?
Yeah, keep going east. We have east and south options.
Okay.
And north.
Okay, great. It's about to get big again. What's happening in front of us? Okay. Wow, look at that sliding in. It's like Almora. That scud sliding in across the ground. Yeah, it's well south of us. I'm trying to be mindful of anything that might be coming up over top of us here.
Hey, what's the plan here?
I don't know yet.
Don't know yet?
Try to get the stream camera going. Just watch it, enjoy it for a little bit. I need my pop can thing again. Violent out of C-Dubs' side. I'm gonna try to call him. I'll get out, stand in front of it. I'm getting data. That buzz is still there. I might need your phone. Right now we got a violent tornado just in front of us.
It dropped south quick. Now we're gonna get south of it. We're fine, we're fine. Right now it's due west of us. It's getting rain wrapped. Okay. I don't like it. These dudes. Yeah, go into it. Dude, we gotta get south. I can't go faster. I don't know if I want. You may want to stay on the north side of this. Dude, no, we gotta get south. I can't. Just bust south, man. We've got to go around these.
Yeah, I don't know if my buzz is back or if the tornado's caused it or what, but there is a large cone tornado.
Coming down here again.
I need your.
Look at this.
Keep going, buddy.
Farm machinery.
All right, I'm gonna have to recall you. I'll call you right back, buddy.
All right, we got a quarter-mile wide tornado. About well, shoot, about 300 yards to our west northwest. Rotating rain currents. We are now in the outer circulation. We are now in the broad tornado circulation. Rotating rain currents all around us. I have never been this close in my life. You've got to get out of here. We are.
You have good Verizon?
Battery's almost dead.
That's okay. I won't. I'll buy another one.
See how far do we go there?
Keep going. It's moving southeast. Keep.
Oh my God.
That's huge. Listen, how about these wires? Do we have pivot wires?
If they come down, they're going to come down
Yeah, that
the other
way.
way.
Hopefully they don't spring back. There's like a new thing down there.
Large cone tornado to our southeast. Go through the trees, buddy. Go through the trees.
It's rain wrapped. Irgendwie ist der Kontrast zum Horizont.
Tornado, down power poles. It looks like it hit a barn, destroyed a barn, and we are on West Oklahoma City, West OKC Reno Street, just southwest of El Reno. Looks like it's on an east-southeasterly course. There's the stream. See it? You got me? All right, it's growing. It's probably getting up to a half mile.
Go, go, go! I'm gonna hang out the window.
Keep south here.
We intercept. We were in the circulation, and it hit a barn. It knocked down a bunch of power poles, power lines down. So it's a violent tornado back there, and this thing is getting stronger, getting bigger, getting wrapped in rain. We're going to get east of it and then drop south and get in front of it, but this is a tornado that we do not want to intercept. This is big. This is a very violent tornado. People in the path of this thing need to be underground. They need to be
231310. We're heading, we're 1 mile west of Highway 81. Beautiful wrapping rain curtains here, oppositional motion, kind of close. We're moving out of the large hail. Tornadoes wrapped in rain right now. You can see the tornado cyclone beautifully. Off to the right. How far? Very right? Okay. We've got very rapid cloud motion in the field here northward. Dust motion, excuse me. Okay.
It's getting bigger. There's debris coming down from the sky. Guys, this is headed straight from...
You think?
Don, where are you at?
Turning around.
Get in there.
That's what she said. Oh, that is... Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, boy. Whoa, Nelly.
Where? To the right, to the right.
Just to the right of us.
Problems here. Oh, there's a suction vortex to the south. See that? Another one right there on the back side of it. That's on the back side of the tornado right there. This thing has multiple tornadoes. Debris right there. Yeah, I agree. There's multiple tornadoes. Another one on the back side. There's a mile-wide circulation with cones and stovepipes rotating all around it. This is just like Salina a couple days ago.
In El Reno, and if you look at NOAA right there, you can see right there, that little dot, that's the center of the tornado. This whole thing.
I think we're in outflow winds now.
There's air moving into it. I don't like the positions kind of lying us in. They're out in front of it. I'd rather have you in a different position, but it's...
I think we're right on the edge of it.
Tornado half mile east there.
There it goes, crossing the road right here.
Street. And these are streets that run out of Oklahoma County. And if you'll Also on the right-hand side, if you guys want to pop up the projection, comes in.
Yeah, I know.
Pathfinder, there you go. And there's a projection on it. You guys, Union City,
We're right in the edge of it.
also. I'm going to enlarge this, so we're going to make sure that we take care of the area there. There we go. Union City. It's in El Reno now, South El Reno.
Still going on. The trees are down behind us.
Let me tell you, along Interstate 40 from
But it
El
should be
Reno to
moving away
Yukon,
from us.
You better get off that thing. I know there's huge hail, but I would.
Oh wow, I see multi-vortex. Okay, go ahead and go creep south, creep south. Oh, there it is. Look at it. There's the edge of it. Oh my.
All right, we got a highway. We got to go 2.5 miles east, drop south on 81, then east on 20.
Go, 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 go. It's coming this way. It's coming this way.
Power flashes!
Get south of it, okay. Push. I'm pushing. There's what? There's the roof.
Oh my God. Wow. Oh,
Get it right there.
right there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Right there. Right around. Oh gosh.
No, stop.
Hold on, brothers. Hold on. Everybody duck, go. Just keep going if you can. Keep going if you can. Everybody duck down. Everybody duck down.
I cannot go any further.
Halfway between El Reno and Union City.
We're doing okay, I think.
Toward Mustang and all of the southern half of Oklahoma City. There's still 4-inch diameter hail up toward El Reno and Banner. Let's go to Reed Taylor here live. Reed?
You think we're okay to go that way? I think we're good right here.
Exposed, and we're headed back, get back into position. Tornado warning from Mulhall. Up north, we can get my gentleman again, he's on that Mulhall. We talked about Mulhall a while ago. Northern Logan County. Tornado warning now from Mulhall to northern Logan County. We'll check with Mike Bennett here momentarily. That is a now second.
off and get a view of it. It's right there.
Very violent tornado on the ground right there. Very, very violent. Oh my God.
Dude, that's another tornado. Is that a tornado or is that?
No, that's straight line winds. That's RFD.
To our east, about a quarter mile wide, just to our east. Listen to it, guys. All right. Okay. Go back the other way. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Now it's RFD. Look at the vortice in front of us. Satellite.
Is this all RFD?
Monstrueux. C'est un monstre. Regardez ça, les gars. Mets-toi.
The radar's fried.
On est vraiment très près là.
Thing's on the ground.
That's the whole thing, Brady. Pictures.
Video.
I got it. Yeah, I'm on it.
I got to stop Jensen Road. So it's between Fifth Street and Jensen Road and the witness.
Windows in his unit. They're trying to get south of this thing. They're at 29th, all the way down to 44th Street. It is still hitting on the neck.
Great. Did you get pictures of that one?
I already did. I guess they're not too far from Turnabout.
Multiple vortices.
Okay, that was the road about 5 miles due south of Reno. This tornado, which now appears to be at least a mile wide multiple vortex tornado, is you're seeing it on the stream right now. It just obliterated a good portion of the airport.
Inflow.
I don't think we should be level because Jana's going to take a minute to unlevel.
Okay.
I do not feel safe here. Jana, unlevel. Yes. I mean, do you think we can do a level deployment?
No.
This thing is.
Okay, is there not a county road right here? I think there's a county road right here. If you can get by the power lines, we're going to turn and go. I'm going to give you the camera back, Dennis. It's going to be on your side.
Okay.
Hey, right here.
Let's go 2 miles north. Get in behind this.
There's not one 2 miles north.
Holy cow! There's a car out here.
They get hurt.
What is it?
Cars out here.
There's a chaser out there. They got a little too damn close.
You don't go north or this way. We can't go that way.
This way, bang.
Power lines are down.
Oh.
Holy cow! This guy.
You okay?
No, he's not
He said
okay.
help. He said help, Joe.
Okay, so
Tornado tour, tornado hunt. Oh my
Here,
gosh.
stop.
I think do quite the
There's hail though.
I would give some south of Elm Street.
Those folks need some help. They need to run from the car.
Okay. Did somebody call the ambulance?
I'm calling them now.
Oh, this is over, dude.
Chase is over.
Okay, I'm
Could be an anticyclonic funnel right in front of us. Yeah, holy cow.
Is that heat running in the car?
I think it's coming off the engine. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
So is that we got condensation coming down over there?
I think it was
That's all.
We have a lot of movement right here, guys. Look at this. It's left to right.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Quantities.
Look at that.
Are we going to be safer? Are you sure?
We're safe. For now, yeah. We're south of the circulation.
It's pretty wide.
Yeah, this is surging out. The nesting is just spinning in there. It's almost stopped. It's almost stationary.
God, that's really bad.
Is that on? You're pretty. That's positive. That's on the ground.
I don't know how it's not.
I mean, I'm not positive, but I thought
It looks
I
like.
mean, I haven't seen any power flash.
No, neither have I.
I can hear it. Can you hear that?
The couplet, there's a CC hole on fuel hole. There has to be on the ground.
Okay, I'm gonna report that as a wedge then.
I can hear it churning.
You in there with them?
I don't know nothing about that.
Need a drink of water or anything?
Yeah.
Hey, get some water.
Oh.
Get some water.